Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off magnification in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. So, we have our magnification turned on and we want to turn it off. For some reason, someone turned it on for us, or we did it by accident. How to turn it off? The easiest option is this little shortcut menu on the bottom right. If magnification is here, we can simply slide here and tap magnification, and now it's off. But if this option is not there for whatever reason, we have to go to our settings. How to do it? We need to swipe from the bottom, as we always do, settings, and we are looking for accessibility options. Accessibility options are here, and here we have visibility enhancements. Now we are looking for magnification. Here it is, and here is our magnifications options. So simply tap this little button and it's off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.